Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a strawberry shortcake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy cake, let's first start by drawing our big juicy strawberry. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw the top of our berry. This nice big curve, and then I'm going to bring it down to round off the sides, and it's laying on top of our cake. So we're just going to bring this downwards. So it's going to be kind of at this angle. Just keep that in mind. And then we're going to draw the other side and just bring it all together. So just round off and then maybe towards the bottom. Kind of flatten it out a little bit because it's on the cake. And connect. There, so one big juicy strawberry. Then I'm going to come to the top, so this is being our angle. I'm just going to kind of find our center, so let's say about right here, and I'll start right here with one leaf, well, the crown, and then come right here and draw another one and do the same thing on the other side. Give our strawberry a crown right here to add some green. There. And then when you're coloring, just put in these little ovals for the texture on the strawberries. I don't want to do that with a Sharpie. Just muddle it up and make it all black in there. So just use like a darker red to do that. Now that we have the strawberry in, let's go ahead and start our cake. So I'll say about right, let's start about right here. I'm going to drag this point across. So about right there. And from there, we're going to start our layers. So I'm going to come down for some cream on both sides. So let's go ahead and just make it nice and round. And we're going to come to the bottom, and I'm just going to wobble a little bit and connect. There. So I got one layer in. Then we're going to come and draw a cake layer. So I'm going to come right about here. Just give a slight angle and then bring it down. And then angle it in again. So that's our layer of cake. So it's going to be a little bit straighter. And I just want to end at the same level on the other side. So let's say about right here. And angle it in. And connect with a soft curve. There. And then we have, let's see here. Now we're going to draw in some strawberry slices. So let's come in right here. And I'm just going to add one. And bring it in. Skip a little bit of space. Draw another slice. So I'm still going on the curve. And following our cake here. So that's some strawberry slices. And then let's add some cream again. So I'm going to pop this out a little bit more. And I'll just wobble again. Right there. And then let's add another layer of strawberry. So same thing. Just have fun with this. This is meant to inspire you. So you can draw your cake however many layers you want. Okay, so now that I have that, then I'm going to come right here and pop it out again for another layer of cake. So same thing here. So a little bit straighter, and then we're just going to connect it at the bottom. All the way across. There. So once you color this in, it won't look like looks like we're building a building, right, with bricks or something. And let's see here. I don't want to muddle up my Sharpie, so we'll do that when we color it. And then to make it look more like a strawberry. And then if you like, I thought it'd be really cute to add some flowers right here. So if you want to do that, start with a circle. And I'll just add 5 petals. just a simple, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, oh my gosh. That's what happens when I'm talking and trying to draw. Okay, there, 5 petals, and then maybe another one up here. And I'll go ahead and erase that. 4 and 5. There. And you can add in some of these, I don't know, just decorations here and there if you like, just to make it extra pretty. And I'll come in here really quick and fix my boo-boos. There. Okay, just to make it extra pretty. And then of course, because this is a strawberry, Draw So Cute Strawberry Shortcake, let's bring it to life. So let's say about right here, I'm going to add a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. So I got one, I'm going to go across, say about right here. And draw the same thing. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And let's add a little curve on the top of each eye. And let's give our cake here a sweet smile. So just draw a little curve right in the center and cap it off. There. And let's see, we need to add a heart somewhere, right? So let's add it right here on the corner to make this my Draw So Cute Strawberry Shortcake. I really hope you love how this cake turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.